Hi, I'm Travis and I'm one of the hitch guys here at Curt Manufacturing. Welcome to the Curt Triflex Video User's Guide. In this video, we're going to cover controls and components, installation and mounting, calibration and adjustment, and go over a few quick tips. The digital display will show you output settings, sensitivity settings, trailer connection, calibration, and troubleshooting errors. The sensitivity adjustment control allows you to adjust the aggressiveness of the trailer's braking. During calibration, the output adjustment wheel allows you to adjust the amount of power that you send to your trailer brakes during normal operation. The manual control lever acts as a handbrake for your trailer. This can be set up to output the amount of power that you previously configured with the adjustment wheel or 100% power. To toggle between 100% output and the amount of output that you previously set with the adjustment wheel, there's a switch on the back of the controller on the right-hand side here. The factory default setting is on and will output the amount of power that you previously set with the adjustment wheel. Flip the switch up to allow for 100% output. The switch on the left allows you to toggle brake light activation when the manual control lever is depressed. The factory default setting is on and will emit power to your trailer brake lights. Flip the switch up to the off position if you don't want your trailer brake lights to activate when the manual control lever is used. When it comes to mounting your control, there are a few guidelines you must follow. Make sure that you're attaching it to a solid surface and in that area is easily reached by the driver. Also, make sure the area behind the mounting location is clear so no damage is done while drilling. The control can be mounted 20 degrees in any direction. The only variance is pitch. It can be mounted 20 degrees down or 70 degrees up. Choose what setup is best for you and your vehicle. Once you've chosen your mounting location, use the bracket as a template to mark and drill the 1/8" holes needed to secure the bracket. Once again, make sure that the area that you're drilling into is clear so you're not damaging any of your vehicle's components or features. Depending on the mounting location, you may want to attach the control to the bracket using the 4 mounting screws before attaching it to the dash. There might not be enough room to access the mounting screws once the bracket is attached to the dash. Use a screwdriver or 1/4" nut driver to secure the bracket with the provided self-tapping screws. Be careful not to over-tighten them. Each vehicle is different. When it comes to connecting the Triflex to your vehicle, you will need a Curt wiring harness with quick plug like we have here in this Dodge. Some vehicles are not equipped with a factory brake control plug and will require you to hardwire it in. Now that the Triflex is connected and we see a single decimal point on the display, we can move on to setting up the control for towing. If your Triflex display is blank, don't be alarmed. After a short period of time of no activation, the Triflex goes into power conservation or sleep mode. This essential feature was added to eliminate potential battery drain once the vehicle is off. Before we connect the electrical components of the trailer to the truck, we need to make sure that we're parked on a level surface. If the Triflex is not calibrated on a level surface, the trailer will not brake properly when traveling down different grades. Now that we've connected the trailer to the truck, we should have a CC appear on the display, followed by 2 decimal points or RC. If RC appears, that means recalibration is needed and we need to disconnect and reconnect the trailer and truck. If 2 decimal points appear, the unit is calibrated and ready for setup. Before we take a test drive, we need to make some preliminary adjustments. Start the vehicle to ensure proper charge. Make sure that the vehicle is in park and keep your foot off the brake pedal. Adjust the output to 2.0 and the sensitivity to L1. These settings will flash while the adjustments are made and for a few seconds after. Now we're ready for a test drive. It's best to start with the output adjustment. Drive forward on a paved surface that is dry and level. At around 25 miles per hour, apply the tow vehicle brakes. If the trailer braking is insufficient, adjust the output control wheel to the right. If the trailer brakes lock up, adjust the output control to the left. Repeat this process until the stops are firm just short of lockup. Once the output is set, we should adjust the sensitivity. Once again, drive forward at 25 miles per hour and apply the brake. The vehicle and trailer should make a smooth stop. If the stop seems slow and more aggressive braking is desired, move the sensitivity control towards the driver, and move it away if the braking is too aggressive. Repeat this process until you are happy with the results. You may need to make some slight adjustments to the output control. If any problems occur during setup, use the troubleshooting guide of your user manual or visit curtmfg.com. Light pressure on the manual control will activate the trailer brakes with no effect to the tow vehicle's brakes. This is useful for slowing down steep grades or before stops. This is also helpful for controlling trailer sway. Periodic adjustment of the output and sensitivity settings may be necessary to correct for changing road conditions, trailer loading, or brake wear. This completes the Triflex Video User Guide. If you have any questions or need more information, please visit kurtmfg.com.
Kurt, the first name in towing products.